Hi guys, my name is Ripta Saika and today I will do a review of Boat Rugby Bluetooth speaker. This one here. So let's start. So at first talking about the build quality, I would say the build quality is really nice. Here in front there is a metal like grill. Same in the back side. Here there is a rubber coating which covers the entire Bluetooth speaker, and I would say it's decent enough. And talking about the looks and design, I personally like the design. Here is the company logo, here are the buttons, and here are the ports. So this is aux port, this is for charging, and here is the mic. So that's all about the build quality and looks, and I would rate it 4 out of 5. So now let's move on to the connectivity. So talking about connectivity, I would say it's decent enough because it's equipped with Bluetooth version 2.1, which is very old, but it seems it doesn't matter because when I was using this Bluetooth speaker, I was not getting any problem. There was no audio latency during watching YouTube videos and movies, so I would prefer to go with it, and I will rate it 4 out of 5 because it will not give you any problem. There are two speakers here, each of 5 watts. So total 10 watts, and it's very loud. Actually, I forgot to mention one thing. This Bluetooth speaker is IPX5 splash proof, so you can use it during rain and minor showers, but I would not recommend you to use it in swimming pools and dip it into the water because it's not waterproof, it's splash proof. So talking about the sound quality is really nice. The highs are sharp, the mids and vocals are clear, and the lows are also very good. And the bass means lows are good enough as Indian users like, and it will give you full satisfaction. So I would prefer to go with it, and I will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of sound quality. So now let's do one sound test. You will not get the exact output, but you can guess what type of sound it produces. So let's start. It's 50% volume now. Now it's 100%. It's really very loud. So that's all with my review. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching and bye. Good night.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.